morning.
Good morning.
We back.
We're back, and where are we?
We're back in Vancouver. Apparently it's our favorite city.
We're always here.
We're apparently always here. So we're back in Vancouver, and we are now in Kitsilano, which is an area of Vancouver, and we are in a vegetarian restaurant called the Naam. Daniel wanted to come here last time.
Yeah.
So we are here. Oh, sorry. Thank you so much.
Miso Benny vegan. So we're just gonna be sharing it.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Is there any dessert we should get? We got our coffee, of course. Unlimited bottomless coffee, my favorite part of brunch. Daniel got the oat milk.
I sure did.
Yeah. What did we order? We ordered a miso beni and a vegan croissant wedge.
Yeah.
Like a croissant sandwich. Yeah, we're very excited.
I'm also excited for this coffee.
Is that the miso sauce?
I think it is, yeah.
Oh, it's miso gravy, they said.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the miso beni, apparently. It's very interesting. And then this is the croissant wedge. Lots of potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the potatoes?
I'm excited. I love this type of
Let's get
potatoes.
our little, ooh. This is miso gravy. Eat out of this plate.
Yeah, you take that one.
Mm-hmm. Do you want more potatoes? Here, you can have more potatoes.
Well, I can just
Whatever.
take these potatoes.
Yeah, it's like a lot of potatoes.
Who doesn't love potatoes though, Rose?
Let's try the croissant wedge. Interesting. We got a vegan chocolate chip cookies and a vegan pecan cookie.
Cranberry, pecan, something.
And we are at the cutest little coffee shop. It's called Cafe Local.
The cutest though.
It is the cutest. What's with this attitude, Daniel? You've been fed. You don't have an excuse to be like this? No, we don't have a place like this in Calgary. It's not the same. Hotel room sushi time. This is our tradition now. We love getting hotel room sushi. Oh, you did get two miso soup.
Did I?
Yeah.
No, I only ordered one.
There's two.
Give them the two then.
Are you sure you only ordered one?
Yeah, look, one times the miso.
Oh, maybe they just were nice. They were like, you know what, this person seems hungry. All right. Woo woo. You guys, we got Ogenki sushi again because it was so good last time. And now we definitely have a tradition. This is like the third time where we order sushi to the hotel. Excuse me. You already got started. They gave us free spring rolls. Because, I don't know, I guess we ordered so much. How's a spring roll? Fried goodness? Okay, let's go through this. All right, so we got 4 of the red tuna. Obviously not really tuna, but like this was so good last time. Green dragon roll, spicy green dragon roll. And then we got all the oshi. We got salmon avocado oshi. I don't know which one is which. Salmon avocado oshi and vegan crab oshi. Got a little bit of seaweed salad and then miso soup. Yay! So excited. So they did not give us chopsticks, so we're just taking coffee stir sticks because I'm so smart. And we're gonna use them as chopsticks. How does it work, Daniel? Perfect. Great. Look at that. Ooh, this is the tuna.
Ready? Oh gosh.
Shit, motherfucker. That was not a sexy cut.
No, it's kind of.
So our hotel.
Taste of flour or the
No. It's delicious. It's Black Forest cake. Yeah.
Black Forest, yeah.
Yeah.
People get surprised that there's no dairy or.
Yeah, I'm vegan, so this is great.
We're both,
Yeah,
we're both vegan, so.
No, that's
Yeah.
what we were trying to cater to. Right?
Yeah, I saw in the menu. I was like, I want to try it.
How do
Yeah.
you do that?
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's so good.
Ooh, I can. I'm excited. All right, we're gonna try the Black Forest cake. I don't even know what Black Forest cake tastes like.
It's like
Cherry?
chocolate and cherry.
Mmm.
Right?
It really does.
That's
Just
good.
like that.
Just like Black Forest. Like if you remember Black Forest from being little,
I remember exactly.
they used to always have these cakes in like. Good afternoon. Good morning for some of us.
Good morning for me.
Yeah. What have you been doing all day, Rose?
Sleeping. But now, it's a beautiful day outside. I was feeling a little rough this morning, a little tender. But I slept, and now the world's my oyster. Waiting for an Uber, but the Uber won't be here for another 5 minutes, so doing a little look-see around Canada Place. Look at the mountain, it's so beautiful. Vegan bento. Ooh, look at this. Tofu patty with orange grated daikon radish, stewed mushroom and thick fried tofu, lotus root sandwich plum and taro potato, steamed seasonal vegetables with yuzu miso paste, eggplant with sweet miso paste with dairy-free cheese, peeled tomato with mushroom sauce, edamame and wild rice salad, seasoned shimeji mushroom and kale dressed with pistachio sauce, and homemade Japanese pickles. Vegan miso soup and rice. Ooh, and then the matcha yuzu sake. Oh my lord.
Best way I'm probably ordering it just to a family style.
So how do you think?
Cauliflower pakora. Yeah. Mr. Lava Lava. I forgot what was in here.